And India has deepened its strategic partnership with ASEAN. Its External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar held series of high-level meetings on the sidelines of ASEAN Foreign Ministers meeting in Laos. New Delhi's focus on strengthening bilateral ties, addressing regional challenges was evident during these engagements. Here's more.
External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has reaffirmed India's steadfast commitment to the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, emphasizing its centrality to the country's Act East policy. On the sidelines of the ASEAN foreign ministers' meetings, he also held a series of high-level engagements to strengthen bilateral ties and address pressing regional issues. India and Laos pledged to deepen cooperation in development, defense and digital technology, reflecting the growing strategic partnership between the two nations. Dr. S. Jaishankar also commended Indonesia's leadership during the ASEAN chairmanship and expressed its appreciation for the contribution to India-ASEAN relations. As India seeks to enhance its partnership in the region, the meeting with South Korea focused on strengthening the special strategic partnership. With the European Union, discussions centered on deepening cooperation in trade, clean energy and emerging technologies. India and Singapore aimed to chart a new course for their bilateral relationship, while with Malaysia, the focus was on implementing initiatives to bolster bilateral ties. The ASEAN Post-Ministerial Conference provided a platform for India to articulate its vision for a peaceful and prosperous Indo-Pacific. New Delhi reiterated its support for Laos's ASEAN chairmanship and emphasized the importance of addressing shared regional challenges. Beyond economic matters, India also underscored its commitment to regional peace and stability. The Myanmar crisis and the complex dynamics in the South China Sea were key topics of discussion. India's position as a credible and balanced power in the region was reiterated, with a focus on diplomacy and dialogue as the path forward. As the region navigates complex geopolitical landscape, India's engagement with ASEAN has taken on increased significance. The meetings in Laos have reinforced India's role as a key player in the Indo-Pacific, committed to a rules-based order and inclusive growth. Its growing engagement was also underpinned by shared interests in economic growth, security and connectivity. By strengthening its ties with ASEAN member states, India aims to play a more influential role in shaping the region's future. Bureau Report, DD India.
And India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar unveiled a special commemorative postage stamp set up by Lao People's Democratic Republic on Saturday. The set of two stamps depict Lord Buddha of the city of Luang Prabang, the ancient capital of Laos, and Lord Sri Ram of India's Ayodhya. The ties of Buddhism have bound India and Lao PDR together since a millennia. The theme of the stamp set is therefore aptly celebrating shared cultural heritage of Lao PDR and India. Laos hosted the East Asia Summit and the ASEAN Regional Forum on Saturday, the final day of the ASEAN Foreign Ministers meeting. The 14th East Asia Summit discussed its future direction and participants exchanged views on regional and international developments. After the summit, top diplomats attended the 31st ASEAN Regional Forum to discuss security in the Indo-Pacific. ARF comprises 27 member countries and was established in the year 1994.